Hi, I'm Sam Lapointe from Cakes Cove. Cakes Cove has been featured on blogTO, George Takei Presents, Narcity, How to Cake It Step by Step, CP24, Wedding Bells magazines, and loads of other really amazing places. Earlier this year, a disaster struck. A flood in an upstairs unit of our building caused massive damage to our storefront, and unfortunately, our landlord failed to call in their insurance or complete the repairs that would bring the building back to code, and instead terminated our lease in favor of just trying to do a patch job. We have never gotten less than a perfect health inspection, so in the long run, this is probably for the best, because without the proper repairs, it's just not going to be clean enough. Essentially, we have lost our harbor and we need a new place to draw anchor. We're excited to bring you new episodes of our YouTube series, announce some new exciting surprise collaborations with big companies this new year, and most importantly, create for all your upcoming events. This has put a snag in those plans and we need your help. But I know that together we are a tough and mighty crew, and if we bind together, we'll soon have Cakes Cove shipshape. Help me, backers. You're my only hope.